Alright, so I just finished checking in. We did the COVID check and then we got a whole little bag. All BC students get enough food for 24 hours when you wait for the testing to come back. So now we're headed on over to get all my stuff in my room. Stay posted. Okay, so I just got into my room and working on the setup right now with my mom. Got a nice closet space. It's pretty good. I got all my camera equipment there. And then over here, we're gonna have my bed. And then here, my roommate from Cali, Emily. She's gonna be moving in later today. But yeah, I'm gonna get unpacking and you'll see the final result. Okay, so I just finished up getting moved in. Kind of took a while, so this is day 2. So yeah, I'll give you a little room tour. So we finished the bedding. I went with the same bedding I actually just had last year. And then I finished my photo wall. And then I have a few more things to put up, but for the most part I'm done. And then I have the classic, can't start my day without coffee, so I got my coffee machine. And then my fridge, some storage, and then my editing / online setup, since all our classes, majority of them are online actually. Oh, but this part's funny. So BC gave us the food for the quarantine period of 24 hours. So they gave us, let's see, cookies and a brownie. They gave us a scoop of hummus, a salad that looks quite interesting. And then we got carrots. They gave us a salad with chicken. Looks interesting. And then let's see what else. Basically 2 pieces of bread. They gave us a lot of bread. This is just a bagel. It wasn't even really wrapped. And then this is supposed to be an orange. I'm not sure why it's green though. And then lastly, we got a classic turkey and cheese sandwich. So they gave us enough food for the 24-hour period when we're supposed to hear back from our testing. I'm still waiting on that. So in the meantime, I'll give you a little room tour. I'm in an 8-man suite in 90, and this is my roommate, Emily. She finally made it from California. And so yeah, she just went to Target, did a nice haul there. So she's getting moved in. Oh, favorite part of my room though, under here, I have all my sneakers, all my shoes. So I can easily access them. And then closet space wise, we actually have a lot of space. I keep all my camera equipment down here, and then I have all my clothes, and then sweatshirts, and then fall sweaters. So let's go to the next room. Oh, this is Sammy. She's on the soccer team. We have Chloe.
I'm on the soccer team too.
Yeah. Alright, so room tour number 1. All good vibes. I love the wall. Anyways.
Hi, I'm Kayla. Hi, I'm Sam.
They're on the soccer team with us. So.
Yeah.
Chloe, what position do you play?
I play
Center bench.
center.
Maybe.
Yeah, center bench.
Center bench.
Center bench usually, yeah, but I might get some time this year.
Take you to we have a common room. Oh wait, we got a huge bathroom. We'll show this off. So we have a huge bathroom actually. Bathroom's pretty spacious. We got tons of storage. This is for 4 people. And then you have more space back here, and then shower, toilet, obviously. And then this is like our storage room. So I brought my bike actually. And then because of COVID, we can't really go in our locker room right now, so it's kind of like our locker room in here. And then our pantry. This is our common room. Oh, hey, Deidre.
Hi.
We're vlogging. So we just kind of hang out in here. We might get couch covers because the maroon is definitely it's an interesting look.
Hi, I'm Deirdre. I'm on the hockey team.
What you got there?
Salad.
Did you get that in Lower?
No, I got it in Medfield, like 35 minutes away from Connor's house.
Yeah, food is
So good.
food should be interesting during COVID. DC dining, step up. And then this is the hockey room. So we have 2 girls also in our 8-man suite that are on the hockey team, and so they've been here and they've got quite a lot done. It's sick. So yeah, this is their setup. And then on the other side of the 8-man, there's also another bathroom, same thing as the other side. And then lastly, we got Sammy's room. Sammy, want to give us a little room tour?
Alright, so this is Julia's side. She struggled hanging those pictures up straight. They were crooked for the most part, but I think they look pretty good.
It's a scatter look. She went for like
It's an abstract look.
abstract, yeah.
Yeah,
basically.
yeah, don't look close. And you know, my side, that's a different story because I couldn't stick anything in it. The hooks we kind of sort of had to super glue to the wall, but you don't know that. And so yeah, we just have some editing to do over the next couple weeks, but yeah.
We have time. We're stuck in quarantine anyways, you know.
Yeah.
Nice little quarantine period. But yeah, nothing crazy. So that's kind of a wrap on the 8-man suite tour in 90 at BC. Me and my roommate, we're gonna continue quarantining until we get our test results back from BC. So we're gonna have dinner in our dorm. So if you like this video, feel free to like it, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.